Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can simply go ahead and unlock the Cathedral in Binding of Isaac Rebirth. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. So to do that, it's a very easy method and easy way. All you have to do is simply follow along and make sure to remember all of the steps. So the thing is, first of all, simply go ahead and access and you can choose the character. And when you start playing, so first of all, you need to remember to do so you do have to simply defeat the mother's heart or 11 times, which way you will be able to get the, and once you have defeated the mom's heart 10 or 11 times, you will be able to access the eclipse, which will simply replace the mom's heart permanently. And once you have defeated the eclipse, you will be able to upgrade to the next level, which you will be able to reach Cathedral. And you also can reach more than a Cathedral. You can reach the upper level, which is called the chest. For that, once you have reached the Cathedral, you will have to simply beat all of the guard on that particular floor. Once you have defeated, then you will be able to reach the chest as well. So simply putting, if you would like to reach the Cathedral, all you have to do is simply start playing and defeat the mom's heart 10 and 11 or 11 times and defeat the eclipse for you to reach the Cathedral. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.